The pre-order page for the Z Fold 7 has leaked, which is interesting because this is not going to be coming out until July 9th. So that's at least another, 4 plus 13 days total. So interesting. 2 times storage. That's, by the way, shout out to the Galax on Twitter. 2 times storage and an online exclusive. Z Fold 7 pre-order page has leaked, revealing a 2 times storage pre-order deal and a green mint online exclusive color. So, for the 2 times pre-order deal, that's every single phone manufacturer ever. I mean, like, it's kind of just how it is. Like, if you pre-order anything from Samsung ever, it doesn't matter Z Fold device or not, they always say, okay, well, 256 is the lowest option, but if you pre-order, you can get 512 for the same price. It's pretty much always that fact. Like that, they always do that. So that's not really new, if we're being honest. For the if they offered 1 terabyte, that would be crazy. Usually, even 1 terabyte is a little bit less if you pre-order. So that's okay. Then it has a green mint online exclusive color. Wait, so if I click on this link, is it still up? It is. This is running out. Okay. Okay, so you can just put in your stuff, your information for if you want to go ahead and, what's it called? Put in information if you want to have a chance of getting the green mint one. Which, listen, still really cool. They always do this pretty much. Reserve now, get $50 Samsung credit, and up to $1,150 additional savings. Plus, enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000 in Samsung credits. Not even cash, just Samsung credits. Which I always exclusively on Samsung.com and Samsung app. I love how it's you only credits, not cash. They're not gonna give you cash. You need credits. Alright, so you can put your information in and have a chance to get that, which is kind of cool. And then this says right here, green mint exclusive colors, jet black, blue shadow, and silver shadow. Wait, so there's no white option? Or I guess, see, white option. Silver is usually the option that looks the most white. But they have silver shadow, which is dark. So all the options this year are dark. Kind of a darker color theme. I don't know, whenever I get my, if I get an iPhone or Z Fold 6 I got the white color. Or I call it the white color, but it's a silver color. Which is kind of crazy. Select 512 GB option and pre-order for the standard price of 256 GB. Again, pretty, common. Offer ends 6/2/2025, which is, June 2nd? When did he post this? He posted this June 24th. Okay. You're missing out. Get a 512 GB option for the same price. Yeah. I mean, again, like I said, that's a pretty common for Samsung. Whenever they come out with new phones, if you pre-order it, you'll instantly be able to get double the storage, which Apple, I wish you guys would do that as well, but not the case. Although I will say with Apple, if they did that, then all the iPhones would sell out within seconds, and that would be like a scalper's paradise. Although, if you've ever been around during the iPhone releases, usually it is a scalper's paradise because they usually are impossible to get for the first couple months. So, well, I guess the higher storage options, or maybe the base storage options it is. But, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.